guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this epic, simple TNT cannon. First, let me show you how it works. Just click the button, flick either one of the levers a few times, boom.
That is completely epic.
Well, I'm going to show you how to build one of these bad babies. So, all you need is like an unexplodable block like bedrock or obsidian or like something like that. Any type of slab or no, not trapdoor. Any type of slab and a water bucket, dispenser, lever and button.
And TNT.
No, I'll get that in a minute. So it's very simple, really. This is all you need to build. I'm gonna build my one over here. So just go like this. Crouch, place dispensers like this. Place a line of bedrock. And then a dispenser on each side. Bedrock up here. The slab here. Water bucket down here. Hold the crouch button, click the button on here, then crouch, put the two levers on here. So now all you would need is a hot bar. No, it's a hot bar of TNT. Just put a stack in all the dispensers. So just put a stack in all the dispensers, and then yeah, that's it really. That's completely it. It's so cool and yet so simple.
Turn it onto survival and no, don't put it on survival. Spawn loads of enemies in front of it, so you can fire the TNT at them.
Do you want me to actually do that?
Yeah.
Let me just see how far it goes, and I'll do it how far. Click this. I'm going to do it about here. Just like a little base box.
But enemies can jump over stuff. There.
They can't jump over 2 blocks high.
Yeah. No, make a cage.
What's my least favorite mob?
Ender dragon.
No, I can't do that. Ecovers.
What's an ecover?
Ecovers are my worst enemies. I hate them. So now I'm gonna get revenge on these guys for killing me in Woodland Mansions. I missed.
Maybe put the pen inside of that.
I need to like do it like a little bit less. No!
Just put the pen inside of it.
I know what to do. Extend it.
That's how you do it.
Don't judge me, because I totally know what I'm doing. I totally know what I'm doing. Don't I, Ollie?
Yeah, because I'm not sure if you invented the cannon.
No, I didn't invent it. Mojang probably added it.
But it is a very cool addition.
Now to spawn more of... They're all looking at me funny.
Whoa. No, merge them with more mobs.
Yeah. Okay, I'll put in some...
Enderman.
No. What do I not like? I don't like zombie villagers. Oh, never mind. Who cares?
Ready?
Go. Okay. Okay, now to just kill them all, because I don't want evokers roaming around my world. Just do the simple command if you ever want to kill like everything, including you in your survive world. /kill at E. Boom.
And then it comes up with
It
every
killed
single thing that was destroyed. Like as it says, loads of dirt.
It killed a lot of stuff. So me and Ollie are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You can do it as it says you can, and we
like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what suggestions you have for other videos, share with your friends, anyone you know, and bye for now.